again. Second video of the hive. Last video we were something burning. See all that smoke? We're collecting materials to kill the bees. Now this video we're going to kill the bees actually. Ooh, there's a bee right there. Okay, we're going to kill the bees and then we can move on. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna get my axe. I'm gonna get this rock. This rock right here, a big one. And then throw it. Just my doggy barking. So I'm gonna set the camera down. In the bag. Okay, I got the rocks. Roll the rocks with the bees so they get angry and angry. Okay. We did that. Now let's get my wax. You know, kill those bees. Oh, this cup is full of something. Not candle wax, nothing else that you might think. It's good, not bad. I'm going to prop it up on camera. And that. I'm going to hit the bees. Here I come, bees. Trying to not get stung. Don't want to get stung. Oh shoot! Now they're mad. I'm just gonna stand here, see the bees. They're mad at me. I killed like. Tell me how many I killed. I killed like 3 right now. Okay, wait. I got something really cool. 2 things actually. One thing is really cool. So I'm just gonna pause the video right here. Bye guys. I'm gonna see you in the 3rd video.